In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round corners in Inkscape. If you've ever wanted your rectangles to look softer and more polished, Inkscape makes it incredibly quick. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Once the interface loads, you'll see your canvas in the center with your tools along the left. The process is the same whether you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux, so follow along on whichever setup you use. Next, open an existing document or create a fresh one. If you already have a file with a rectangle you want to adjust, open it and zoom to the area where your shape sits so you can see the handles clearly. If you're starting new, create a blank document and draw a rectangle anywhere on the canvas. Either way works perfectly for this technique. If you just drew a rectangle using the rectangle tool, you're in the right place. To make sure you can access the special corner controls, choose the rectangle tool again. Reactivating this tool tells Inkscape that you want to edit rectangle properties, not just move or scale the object. You'll know you have the correct tool when your rectangle shows small square handles for sizing and, importantly, circular handles for corner rounding. Now for the fun part. Look for the circular handle on your rectangle. It typically appears near the top right area of the shape when the rectangle tool is active. Click and drag that circular handle downward or inward. As you drag, you'll see all four corners round off together in real time. Keep dragging until you get the amount of softness you like. If you go too far, simply drag the handle back toward its original position to reduce the radius. A quick tip: make sure you're grabbing the circular handle, not the square one. The square handles resize the rectangle, while the circular handle controls the corner radius. If you need precision, watch the values that appear in the Tool Controls bar at the top. Those update as you drag, which helps you match a specific look across multiple shapes. Zooming in a bit can also make small adjustments easier to control. That's it. Launch Inkscape, open or create your document, activate the rectangle tool, and drag the circular handle to round all four corners at once. This method is non-destructive, so you can revisit your rectangle anytime, reselect the rectangle tool, and fine-tune the rounding until it fits your design perfectly.